In this video, I'll show you how to change wallpaper on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our desktop background, right? Click on this. Once you've clicked on it, click on these settings. Once you've clicked on these settings, you're going to be displayed with a whole lot of options, right? Click on the personalization. Right now, you can see this is my Windows wallpaper, right? And for us to change it, this is what we're going to do, right? Once you've clicked on this, once it has opened up, you're gonna come on here, you're gonna click on this background, right? Once I've clicked on this background, you're gonna see personalize your background, right? So you can change it to whatever picture you want. If I click on this right now, I'm gonna change our Windows wallpaper to this, right? So this is how you can change Windows wallpaper on Windows. This is how you can change wallpaper on Windows 11, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.